I just want to show something to be aware of, and a warning to somebody who just blindly puts one of these pigtails on one of these Rangers for the resistor. This is the actual wiring diagram of the plug, and I wouldn't have noticed this, but I was fixing my Ranger. The one that I have now is a wiring harness that I'm actually going to put in the Ranger because it's got fog lights. But my truck needed a resistor put on it, so I took the old plug and I got all the old bits out of it, and I got it working. But I went out here to this one to look at reference because I pulled all the wires out because I wasn't thinking at the time. But when I looked at this plug right here, I knew it wasn't right. And I knew that because I knew where at least two of the wires was, the yellow one and the black one, which was supposed to be in the middle. And as you can see from this diagram, the top is correct. It's green, which is number one. Number two is supposed to be the ground, which is black. And this plug, it's orange. The yellow one is supposed to be on the left bottom, like right there on the left bottom, where the black one is. So every one of these wires on this plug that you buy from AutoZone or Advanced when it's colored is wrong. I've actually looked these up, and several of these are the same. Now, if you got a black one, this wouldn't apply to you because you have to just pay attention to, you just have to pay attention to the actual, which ones go where. But it's a bit of a warning because it's very easy to just go by what the plug wiring is from the store. I never thought about it until I looked at the wires on it last night, and I realized I was wrong. But I just did this to hopefully keep somebody from frying their resistor, their new resistor. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice evening. Cherish your family. Like and subscribe, and goodbye.